Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do some more Pit Boss pellet grill cooking. We're going to cook some chicken legs and some boudin, and I got a little surprise. I want to try something new. I saw this today at the store. Dr. Pepper baked beans. I'm going to try them out. We're going to give it a shot. Put those on the grill too. Try it out. So we're also going to use this Meat Church Holy Cow barbecue rub on those chicken legs. We're going to try it out. It's going to be something good. So stay tuned. Get ready. Here we go. All right, we're going to put this Meat Church Holy Cow barbecue rub on this chicken. This is great for chicken also. Put it on there, shaking like a little shake. Cover it up real good. Each individuals. Just rub it on there very generously. So that's what we're gonna do. Rub it in there a little bit. I think it's gonna be pretty good. Never tried it. I always wanted to try Meat Church products. Watch his videos. Love his videos. Very good. They say his products are very good. Picked this up at Academy Sports. You can probably get some at your local Academy Sports or your local supermarket. So we're just going to put it on there, rub it in real good. Put it in there. Man, that's going to be, looks pretty good. I don't know if it's going to be spicy or what. It's pretty thick though, look. Some thick rub. All the other rubs I use kind of powdery. But hey, this might be better. We're gonna find out. Also had this Zumo's Cajun style boudin. I love boudin. Let me know if you like boudin. This is the only kind I can get at my local supermarket here where I live at. So we're gonna put that on the grill also. Here we go, we're gonna put that chicken on. All right, here we go. Let's put that chicken on. Old legs. It's gonna be some good eats right here. Nope. One more. Alright, we'll put this Zumo's on. Boudin. Here we go. Now we're going to put the baked beans on. Alright, here's that Dr. Pepper baked beans we're going to put on. I'm just going to, I may be a liner. I don't want to make a big mess with them. I'm not going to add anything with it. I want to see what it tastes like by itself. Since it's got a big flavor. We'll see. We're going to find out. So, we're going to open that up. That to the side, dump it. Wish I had a little smaller pan, but this will be all right. Got all the greatness in there. I'm not even gonna try it. I'm gonna wait till it warms up to try it out. And there we go. It's on the grill. All right, there we go. We'll put that on top there. Chicken, baked beans, and boudin. Here we go. All right, it's time to check this chicken, boudin, and beans. Woo, look at that smoke coming out of there. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Flip the boudin. Yeah, flip that chicken. Juicy. It's gonna be good and juicy right there. Good and juicy. go check it out here in just a few more minutes. All right, let's give it a quick flip. Look and a flip. Oh yeah, look at that. Boudin's looking good. Chicken's starting to look real good. Look at that. It's gonna look good. Or it's gonna be good, I'm sorry. Quick flip, real quick. Beans are starting to look all right. Maybe give them a stir. They're just not quite done yet. Man, I'm excited to try these. Especially with that meat church. Holy cow. Rub. Man, yeah. There we go. Let's give those beans a quick stir. Oh yeah, I think these are gonna be good. I haven't heard anything about them. But hey, if you try these, let me know in the comments below. I need to know. I want to know. If you tried them, what do you think about them? Let me know in the comments. All right, let's check it and see what we got here again. Ooh yeah, looking good. I think that boudin's done. We got it. Puff it up there. We'll grab it. Yeah, look at that. Whoops. That's some good eat right there. Love that boudin. Wish you could get the real Cajun boudin. Oh, that'd be so awesome if I could. Need to have to order it online, I guess, because I don't live near Louisiana. This around a little bit. They still got a long ways to go. A little ways to go on this chicken. Just hold it up there. Come out of the way. Hope I turn that or not. Maybe not. Clean that grill up real good tomorrow. A good thing to do. Cut the grass and clean the grill. Dog. There we go. We'll check back here in another few more minutes. Wanted to show you real quick this boudin. Look at that golden. Got that golden crisp look on it. Look at that. Start to puff out. Ooh, man. Can't wait. All right, I think it's time to do a test. I think it's about done. Oh yeah, it's looking good. I think we're about done with these. These look really, really good. Man, look at that. Get the juice just falling off this thing. I'm gonna test one out. Let's try one out. All right, here we go. We're gonna see if it's ready. If not, we'll just put it back on there. Let's see what we got here. Looks white. No blood. My wife's crazy about this stuff now. I am too on chicken, but oh man, it looks pretty good. Let's look. Ooh, that thing's dripping. Look at that. Looks done to me. It'll look done. I think I'll leave it on there for just probably another 5, 6, 7 minutes. Let's just leave it on there just to make sure. But I think this is gonna be it though. All right, everything's done. Everything's ready. I'm fixing to do a little taste test. I got me a little piece of chicken, got me a piece of boudin. We'll come over here and get me a little scoop of that. Try that. Let's do a taste test real quick. Let's see what it tastes like. There's the chicken. All right, everything's done. I got everything pulled. Now here comes the favorite part of the video. My favorite part is the taste testing. Let's see what this holy cow will taste like. See if that meat church, holy cow, lives up to its videos, because I watch a lot of his videos, Meat Church, and I really enjoy watching him. So I always wanted to buy his products. I saw it. I said, I'm going to buy it. We're going to do a video on it. So here we go. Here's a piece of chicken. Let's get that holy cow rub on it. Through there. Here we go. Man. That was really good. Oh God, that's some of the best barbecue rub I ever put in my mouth. I ain't lying. That is some good stuff right there. It's really, really good. It's got a really good flavor to it. Takes some peppers and stuff in it. Ooh. Look at that barbecue flavor. God, that was good. That's some of the best I ever bought and tried. So here we go. We'll try that boudin. Here we go. Are you going to do the boudin dance? I love that Cajun boudin. It's really good. I eat it all day long, every day. It doesn't matter what. So there you go. There's the video. That's it right there for you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Thank you. All right, forgot one thing. Forgot to try those baked beans. Dr. Pepper baked beans. I almost forgot about that. I did. So here we go. We'll give it a try. Here we go. Man. Man, that's really, that's different. Good. Wow. Would I recommend it? Yeah. Yeah, I'd recommend you eating them. They're good. I didn't put nothing on them. Just whatever come in the can, pour it in the can, put it on the grill. That's all I did. Man, that was good. You need to try it. If you never tried it, try it. If you have, let me know in the comments if you like them. Let me know if you like these Dr. Pepper baked beans. There you go. Well, now we're going to conclude this video. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Please subscribe and like. Thank you.